morning, respected principal ma'am, HM ma'am, coordinator ma'am, and all the teachers. I, Shreyash of class 5th A, on the behalf of all the students, we wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Today, our class is performing a virtual assembly. Before we start, let's do the morning prayer together. Now, Shivani is going to present thought.
Good morning and happy Teachers' Day to all my respective teachers. Thought for the day is a good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Now, Gauri is presenting Guru Vandana.
तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
Now, Adhya Chaudhary is going to recite a poem in English.
Good morning everyone. Today on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I, Adhya Chaudhary of class 5th A will recite a poem for my teachers. Madam, it's you who made my day lovely and true. You took away our pains and made us happy and gay. We are obliged to you. Be it night, be it day, we will do our best and leave you to the rest. Madam, it's you who made my day and showed me the way to be happy and gay on our Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Now, all of you listen to Danish.
Morning, respected teachers. Today, I wish to share my deepest thoughts with you. Today, whatever I am because of my teachers. My teachers are angels sent from above. My teachers put in their best efforts in turning us into responsible citizens. and my teachers play a very important role in each one of our lives as they are a friend, guide, and mentor. So I would like to thank each one of you for making learning possible even during the COVID times. I feel you people are the real life heroes. So to conclude, I can only say the way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you give makes you the world's best teachers. Thank you, teachers. I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. May you have a wonderful day ahead.
Now, Rudransh is going to recite a wonderful poem.
Today I am going to recite a poem. The name of the poem is A Teacher. A teacher for seasons. A teacher is like spring who nurtures new sprouts and encourages them. Whenever they have doubt, a teacher is like summer whose sunny temperament makes studying a pleasure, preventing discontent. A teacher is like fall with methods crisp and clear, lessons of bright colors and a happy atmosphere. A teacher is like winter while it's snowing hard outside, keeping students comfortable as a warm and helpful guide. Teacher, you do all these things with a pleasant attitude. You are a teacher for a season and you have my gratitude. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now let's see what Adya has to say about her teachers through her poem in Hindi.
Good morning, ma'am. Today, I, Adhya Chaudhary of class 5th A, is going to recite a poem for my teachers. टीचर होती एक परी, सिखाती हमको चीज़ नहीं, कभी सुनाती एक कविता, कभी सुनाती एक कहानी, करे कभी जो हम शैतानी, कान पकड़े याद आए नानी, अच्छे काम पर मिले शाबाशी, टीचर बनाती मुझे आत्मविश्वासी, टीचर होती एक परी, सिखाती हमको चीज़ नहीं. धन्यवाद.
Good morning, my dear students. Do you know that today is an auspicious occasion where you get a chance to acknowledge the dedication and hard work of your teachers. 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day every year to honor and appreciate the contribution of teachers. This practice started in the year 1962 on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a teacher, philosopher, and the second president of India. When he became the President of India, few of his students requested him to let them celebrate his birthday on 5th September. On this, he asked them to celebrate the day as Teachers' Day and not just as his birthday. This would make him happier and even more proud. Ever since, this day is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Teachers are the pillars of a country and shape the destiny of students. They teach them to become better human beings. Teachers Teachers like Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam are some of the renowned names that have given meaning to the word teacher. Teachers are a blessing in disguise. Children, the role of teachers is highly significant in the present context of COVID-19 because it is the teacher who acts as a learning facilitator of the young minds and guides them through online education. Thank you.
I hope you like our efforts. Thank you, and I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day once again.